how to download your MyScoreIQ credit report. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to download your credit report in MyScoreIQ website. First of all, this video is for informational purposes only. This information is supposed to be found in nature. So I'm going to walk you through 4 scenarios. So because we use different devices to access our information, like mainly our laptops or desktop and our phone, our cell phone. And so we're gonna also go through two type of option. The first one being you already have an existing account. On the second one, it's your first time to log in, so you don't have an existing account. Let's start with the scenario number one, which is you already have an existing account and you are using your phone. So you will go to this website, myscoreiq.com. You will land on this page, click on these three horizontal lines, click on login, then scroll down, click on view most recent report. If the date there when you get to this page is the exact, so if this date is the actual date you are doing this, you are downloading your credit report, that's good. Download the HTML and the PDF. And if you once you download, if you have your credit report from just one bureau, one of the main nationwide credit bureau, I mean Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, that's an issue too. You're gonna have to go back on purchase report to purchase from the three main purchase your report that provide you with the three main credit bureau report, right? Agency. So with that said, just download the HTML and the PDF report and save it in your phone, and then share with whoever asks you to. If you have somebody helping you for your credit repair, just send those 2 copies to the person. Now, if you have, we are still in scenario number one. If you see that the date here, if you see that the date of the report is different, is not up to date, you're gonna have to go back on purchase report. When you click on purchase report, it's gonna take you to this page. Click on Tribune report, FICO score, and click on and purchase your report. So you're gonna fill out your payment information here, credit card or debit card, and click here and purchase the report and download it. All right. So scenario number two: if you already have an existing account and you are using your laptop, you're gonna go to this same website, myscoreiq.com. You're going to land on this page, click on login, fill out your username, password, click on login. You're going to land on this page, right? And you're going to click on view most recent report. You're going to click on most recent report. Here, view most recent report and download your report. So still scenario number two, this is to view most recent report and download. So yeah, if you want to click on you download your HTML and the PDF file, save in your phone, I mean in your computer or your laptop, and then share with whoever is helping you with your credit repair. Now, if your most recent report isn't up to date or it is just one bureau, please go back to the previous step and click purchase report and purchase the 3 bureau report and download it. Scenario number three, if you don't have an existing account, so this is the first time you are going to MyScoreIQ website, right? You don't have an account. This is the most common situation with people that we deal with. Yeah, we have people with falling in this scenario. So you will simply click on this link. Don't worry, we're gonna upload all these links in the description part of the video. So you just need to click and land on the website. You're gonna land here, click on enroll, follow the step, right? Fill out the information here, click on agree. Next step, remember you will pay $1 for a 7 days trial subscription. So after the 7 days, after you pay and download your credit report, review. If you don't like the subscription, you can just call them and ask them to cancel the subscription. So you will put the social security, date of birth, phone number, and they may ask you more questions. So just answer those questions. And yeah, you're gonna land on this page, scroll down, view most recent report. Because this is your first time, this is gonna be your most recent report, and you will confirm the date. When you click here, you're gonna land on this page, scroll down, and you confirm the date. You confirm the date here, right? And then you're gonna download your HTML and the PDF report and save it in your phone, share with whoever is helping you with your credit repair. Scenario number 4, if you don't have an existing account and you are using your laptop, go to the same link, click on this link, or just type in your browser. And it's gonna land you here. Click on enroll now, fill out your account information, click on agree next, agree and next. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to have to fill out your payment information, and then you're going to click on submit. It's going to take you here. You're going to scroll down to view most recent report, and then scroll down to this on this page and download the HTML and the PDF. Again, just verify the date. It should be the same date the same day you are doing this. So those are the 4 scenarios that you have to go through. You're gonna fall in one of those 4 scenarios and just follow it and download your credit report. That's it. So if you're looking for a business credit card with zero interest rate for 12 months and a zero annual fee, where there is a special with American Express Business Cash, and you get a welcome bonus if you approve. So you just need to use this referral link. Yeah, it's American Express is a very good business partner. So you need to have. It's a good idea. It's a good financial decision to have an American Express credit card. So go there and take advantage of this. So all the links will be added to the description section of this video. If you also need a copy of this PowerPoint presentation, like, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, we will email it to you. So some of our services. So these are the services that we offer. So Notary Public in person. So we meet in person. Mobile, we come to you. And online, very simple. You just upload your document and we go through a video call. And if you have any other signers or witness, they have to jump into the meeting, video meetings, and wherever they are in the world, very easy. And we sign it. Credit repair and credit building. So we provide those services. First of all, we want you, if you want to save money, obviously, if you want to save money and pay with your time, just go in our channel. There are videos, thousand of video there for credit repair, and you can do it by yourself. And so if you cannot do it by yourself, just contact us. I will help you with that. I want to point out something here very important. Personal credit is completely different. How to build a personal credit and a business credit, they are 2 different things. And so if you need your personal credit to be repaired, perfect. If you need your business credit to be done, contact us. We can help you build your business credit. But I want to emphasize something. Your business credit, everything starts with your personal. Yeah, because we always on the business side, we always, especially the first 5 years, we wanna the guarantee is gonna be the personal. So it's gonna be you. So you need a good foundation on your personal credit. So trade lines. If you need trade lines to repair your credit very fast or to boost your credit, you can buy trade lines. We offer a lot of trade lines. Trade lines are stuff like credit card that's going to be added to your credit profile as you use, and trust me, it boosts your credit very quickly. So personal and business funding. We offer personal funding, business funding. Contact us. We help a lot of people use that. Entity formation and creation. So if you want to create a new LLC, I mean a new entity, we always advise new business people to start with the LLC, and we will explain why. And the S corp and C corp, all those, you have to know when to move to a S corp from the LLC and all those. So asset protection, we partner with a lot of good lawyers, very professional. They know what they're doing for asset protection and structuring all your asset and estate planification and all those stuff. So website design, we have experienced engineer, design engineer for that do good website design. Life insurance. I don't know if you guys are familiar with IUL, but a lot of people are not. But it's unfortunate because that is a gold. It's a hidden secret here in the if you're living here in North America, you need to know these products. Is Index Universal Life Insurance. It has a lot. It's not just a life insurance. It has a lot of living benefits, so you don't have to die before you get all those benefits. So I want you to contact me so I can. We have free consultation, so we can walk you through all those products, explain how they work, and all the advantages that they come with. Core life, not so it's not so different from the IUL and final expenses. So this is how to contact us: phone number, email, and website. Thank you for watching. So we have came to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Check my video on how to download your identity IQ report. It's very similar to this one. So any question, if you have any question, just upload them in description part of this video. We will take care of it as soon as possible. With that said, take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Thank you.